Buying a home after divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over. If you're a woman in the Omaha metro area and you are buying a home after divorce and you're wondering where to begin, this video will walk you through a calm step-by-step path forward so you can move with clarity, not pressure. Buying a home after divorce can feel overwhelming. You may be asking, where do I even begin? How do I avoid regret? How do I make a wise decision when everything feels unsettled? If that's where you are right now, you are not alone. And this video is here to give you a clear starting point. After divorce, home buying isn't just a transaction. It touches emotional safety, financial reality, identity shifts, and the deep need for peace and stability. Many women rush because they want life to feel stable again. But wisdom teaches us that stability is built carefully, not forced quickly. So today, I want to walk through this process clearly and slowly, step by step. Beautiful blessing, the first step is not touring houses. The first step is stability. Before you look at listings, ask yourself, what does stability look like in this season? For many women, stability looks like having breathing room financially, and that's completely okay. It even means emotional clarity. Beautiful blessing, it even means having support around you. And most importantly, time to heal. A home should support your life. It should never, ever become another burden. This channel exists for women rebuilding life after divorce here in the Omaha metro area. My name is Lynetta Anderson, and I am your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. I specialize in helping women with faith-aligned encouragement, informed housing guidance, so you can move forward with clarity, confidence, and peace, not pressure. Step 2, financial readiness. Sweetheart, this is not about what you're approved for. It's about what is going to be sustainable. Ask yourself, will this payment allow for margin? Will I have room for emergencies? Will this payment cause me to be house poor? Can I afford the repairs that come up? Do I have an emergency buffer? Wisdom is choosing peace long term, not what stretches you thin. Step 3 is choosing the right environment. Sweetheart, after divorce, location matters deeply. Question to ask, do I feel safe in this space? Am I close to support? Does this area feel peaceful or isolating? Believe me when I say, the right house in the wrong environment can still feel very heavy. Step 4 is emotional readiness. Buying a home too soon can lead to regret, not because women are careless, but because they did not allow the heart time to heal. Yes, ma'am, the heart needs time to settle. If you feel constant anxiety during decisions, if you feel pressured to prove something, if urgency is driving the process instead of calm, those are signs you may need more time. The Lord often leads with peace and clarity, not pressure or confusion. Step 5 is avoiding the most common mistakes. This channel is designed to help women avoid three things in particular: buying before clarity, stretching financially too far, and choosing isolation over support. These are understandable mistakes, but they are avoidable when you have the right guidance and a steady process. If you would like guidance tailored to your situation, you can schedule a discovery call when you're ready. There's no pressure, just clarity and support. Believe me when I say, starting over after divorce takes courage. You are not behind. You are not failing. Hear me when I say the goal is not just a house. The goal is a home that supports peace, healing, and stability in your next chapter. If you're buying a home after divorce in Omaha and you want step-by-step guidance each week, subscribe to this channel. This series exists to help you move forward with wisdom, clarity, and peace. And when you're ready, watch next: how to know when you're emotionally ready to buy a home after divorce here in Omaha.